buy all that fancy shit that Advanced Auto and AutoZone sells. We use deep woods off. Oh shit, the bed! Son of a bitch! Damn it all to hell! Look at that!
It looks just like new.
Damn it, man! I wish my granddaddy had told me about this years ago. And I'm just using an old sock. I should be using a Chanel rag.
What do we call this? A headlight hack?
I mean, that's better. Let me go ahead and work on the bottom since the bottom's there. Deep woods off. You don't have to be in the woods or nothing, you know. Oh Lord. Oh man. Now I've got condensation in the enclosure. But hell, that's much better. Oh, look at there. If you put a little elbow grease on it. And I probably will come back and do that a couple more times. Let's go over here and do the other one. Damn truck's 17 years old. And this one's got a lot of condensating in it. Gotta get that out somehow. Probably drill a hole. Drill a hole in the bottom. Wow, that's much better. Let's see what I can come back and do on this one. I like to turn the inside sock out. Us country boys, we don't have a lot of money to be buying rags and shit. Use the old tennis sock. Might as well do the chrome. Oh yeah.
What's the final verdict on that?
It's a keeper. I want to get it off this plastic foam though. Oh no, it's not going to hurt it. It didn't hurt those lenses.
What you think about it?
Well, it's a nice redneck hack.
Bam. Nice. All this moisture